married.
I love you.
I love you too. Kiss on the cheek.
Megan, having heard how God has created, ordered, and blessed this covenant of marriage, do you affirm your intention to be married?
I do.
And Thomas, having heard how God has created, ordered, and blessed this covenant of marriage, do you affirm your intention to enter this covenant?
I do. Hey, and all I wanna do is make you smile. When darkness still ensues, I wanna be your light. Whatever we go through, I'll make it worth your while. 'Cause every minute, every hour, every day, I wanna make you smile.
I, Thomas, offer myself to you, Megan.
I, Thomas, offer myself to you, Megan.
To be your friend, your lover,
To be your friend, your lover.
your lifelong companion,
Your lifelong companion.
to share my life with yours,
To share my life with yours.
to build our dreams together,
To build our dreams together.
to support you through times of trouble,
To support you through times of trouble.
rejoice with you in times of happiness.
And rejoice with you in times of happiness.
I promise to treat you with respect, love, and loyalty
I promise to treat you with respect, love, and loyalty.
through all the trials and triumphs
Through all the trials and triumphs
of our lives together.
of our lives together.
This commitment is made in love,
This commitment is made in love,
kept in faith,
kept in faith,
lived in hope,
lived in hope,
and eternally made new.
and eternally preserved.
Whatever we go through, I'll make it worth your while. 'Cause every minute, every hour, every day, I wanna make you smile. Oh, every minute, every hour, every day,